Ready?
Hi guys, welcome
Welcome back!
You're back! Watch this shit
I'm
for
back!
real, dog! Watch it for real!
Honey, I'm back!
Today we're gonna be watching
Woo!
car clamp hack.
Oh damn, let's do it!
A car clamp hack.
Damn, let's do it!
A car clamp hack.
Let's do it!
We're starting it up right now.
Yeah, let's go!
Yeah, let's go right now. Let's see this shit. Car clamp hack. Car clamp hack.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh damn, he's clapped!
Oh, sure is. Let's see this. Oh, looking around, looking around.
Damn.
No one around, no one around.
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do?
Looks a bit confused.
Damn.
Sussing at the clamp.
Yeah, 100% boy.
Sussing at the clamp.
What the hell?
Yeah, they don't know what he clamped him for. You know, they don't. He doesn't know what he got clamped for.
I think he's parked the wrong way. I think he's parked the wrong way.
He park anyway.
No, you can't park.
Oh, got a post.
What the fuck?
Got a steel post.
What's he gonna do?
Taking off the jumper. Shit's getting real. Shit's getting real.
Shit will get real.
Shit's getting real right now. Watch this shit. Watching. They'll be watching.
I'd get a tow truck and I'd just fucking tow the bitch.
Oh.
But
Sussing it out, sussing it out.
just fucking knock it out. Just knock it.
Oh, wait. Oh, no one comment. Do it right now. Do it right now, boy. Boy's got exposed the chain. Yeah, get from that angle. Make sure you get it. Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, and this guy's smart as fuck.
Fuck,
me,
few nudges. Wait. He's going for it again.
He's fucking bad. He goes, fuck these, come in and get my money.
Yeah.
He beats a free fucking loot can.
Watching, you're watching, baby, watching. Yo, couple hits there. Oh shit, I think he got it. He's got it. Wait up. Oh! He didn't, did he? I'll just run right over the chain. We'll be using that over there. Got an extra mile for dispose of it.
Damn, that was on fire!
Yeah.
What did you think of that?
Yeah, if your car ever gets clamped, there's a hack for you, man. A hack.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, tweet us at...
I don't have Twitter.
We don't have Twitter, oh fuck.
No, I'll set one up, don't worry, I'll set one up. If you subscribe and comment, you know,
Yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me if I'm the best or he's the best, because he's a fucking dickhead.
No.
Alright guys, see you later!
Yeah.